Genesis is a £50 million mobile phone operator. We work with Vodafone, O2, BlackBerry and now Microsoft. We have 12,500 business-to-business customers. That equates to 75,000 end users and over 1,000 hosted clients. We have 200 people, 4 locations throughout the UK and a remote-based sales force. Previously I was making phone calls to all my direct reports to find out what the numbers were for my weekly trading meetings that I have, and now I walk in with my laptop to show them where exactly the position that we are as of that particular moment in time. All of the legwork in collecting all the information has totally disappeared, and I know that I've got an accurate view of my sales forecast and pipeline as of that moment. I can make decisions based on information which I know to be true and accurate. It eliminates doubt. My managers get an awful lot more time. So previously they were spending an awful lot of time getting information back from the field, and now they spend their time more productively coaching, more recruitment and going out on more visits to customers because the information is there for them to just click on a graph.
Traditionally we had sales and a commercial and an order processing department, and what CRM has done is link those together so anybody in those different departments can go in and see the status of a prospect or a lead rather than actually paperwork flowing around the business. Instead of having to have constant meetings or uncertainties about where we are as a business, any of those people can see exactly where we are without having to make the wrong assumptions about the data or the status of an order.
I have 10 telemarketing agents and their role is purely to make appointments for my direct salespeople. I didn't really know how effective that was because I couldn't track it. Now I can go from the amount of dials they did, the amount of appointments they were setting, right through to the amount of revenue that generated. We've now integrated CRM with our website. So if somebody goes onto our website and makes an inquiry or wants an appointment, that automatically feeds into CRM. It automatically then provides a call for one of our sales guys so we can track exactly the effectiveness of our marketing campaigns all the way through down to revenue. So at the board we can decide where we're going to spend our money around marketing because we've got all the information at our fingertips. One of the things about CRM is it makes the salespeople more organised. So now they're not having to remember to make a phone call, they're actually scheduled within CRM to make a phone call under a task. So they are just delivering on what they say they're going to do, and that in turn builds credibility for the customer.
The fact that Outlook integrates with CRM, all emails are logged and tracked, so if that particular salesperson has to move on to a different sale, somebody else can just jump and pick it up, whereas historically that information would have been lost. We'd have to start again from scratch.
They have 60 people who are on the road out and about, and one of the key things is managing their activity and making sure that they've got the right resource on the right opportunity. Collecting that information was incredibly difficult, and now clearly I have it at my fingertips and so do the managers, so we can put the appropriate resource behind the appropriate bids.
The field sales force can access the CRM application anywhere so that when they're on the road, before they go into a meeting, they can see the history of what's happened and they can see the type of product that the prospect is interested in. After the meeting, they'll update the CRM, and they'll change the probability of the lead or the prospect, and then that will filter through and can be reported on immediately.
I can understand how many first meetings, how many second meetings, how many opportunity meetings that my sales guys have been doing, well, up to the minute. I usually look at them daily because I need to make sure that I'm getting value for money out of the salespeople that I employ.
We looked at a couple of options. The first one was using our ERP solution, which is Oracle. It was quite hard to use and actually it wouldn't get accepted by the sales force. So we then looked at Microsoft CRM and realised that it was very similar to Microsoft Outlook.
The sales force did like the fact that it's the look and feel of Outlook, so the fact that it was simply an extension to Outlook made the transition very easy for us.
We got groups of 5 or 6 and then did a couple of hours training, and literally that's all we've had to do.
It's helped us structure the sale. It makes training our salespeople easier because they follow a structured sales process. They used to take 3 months to get up to speed and now they're up to speed within a month. The amount of money I spent implementing CRM will be covered by 3 or 4 salespeople getting up to speed 2 months faster than they were previously.
feel very comfortable about what we've done. I think we made the right choice of going with Microsoft CRM. It's proved to really hit the nail on the head in terms of providing a great system to the sales force.
The easiest way to articulate the impact that CRM has had on the bottom line is that I am absolutely convinced without it we couldn't be growing at the rate we're growing.